Hi kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. This is where we will attempt to do math concepts in 5 minutes or less. Today, boys and girls, guess what we're talking about? We're talking about equal parts. Does anybody know what an equal part means? Can you tell me? Okay, then I'll tell you. Equal parts means that we take an item. It could be something like food or art or any item that you can find, and you take it and cut it or divide it into equal parts. You can take candy, take Skittles, and we can divide them into equal parts too. Oh yeah. But today we're going to take something to divide it into equal parts, like this pizza here. It means that once we divide it, it's going to be the same size and the same shape. So if I take this pizza or a pizza like this, and I take it and I want to divide it into a pizza that I can share with me and one of my friends, then I can divide it into 2 pieces, right? So let's do that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some pizza. I have 1/2, and this is for my friend. You're my friend. You may have a half. And there's another half, and this half is for me. So I took my pizza, my whole pizza, and I cut it into 2 equal halves. They look alike. They're the same size. And if I put them back together, they still equal 1 whole pizza, right? So I took it and divided into 2. So I have 2 parts. So I get a slice and my friend gets a slice. Uh-oh. But what happens if another friend comes along? Oh, I see you. Hi, friend. I see you. So now I have to cut it into 3 equal parts, right? So that we may all have a slice, so that they will be the same size and they will be the same shape. So let me take it and cut it. I'm going to share it with my friends. I love my beautiful friends. And I have 3 slices of pizza. There's 1 slice. Here is 2 slices. And here is the 3rd slice. 3 slices. And now each one of my friends, me and each one of my friends, can get a slice of pizza. But let me see if I put it together on my whole pizza. Yes, I know it's equal because it still equals 1 pizza, right? That's right. So I have 3 slices. 1 for my first friend, 1 for my second friend, and 1 for me. That's right. I have 3 slices of pizza. Uh-oh, I have another friend that came over, and I have to cut my pizza into how many slices now? That was 3 slices, but I have another friend. That's right, 4 slices. So how do I still make it equal? It has to be equal, and they have to still have the same shape. So let's see if I can do that. I'm gonna take my pizza cutter, cut it into 4 different pieces, and they're equal pieces. Remember, that's what we're talking about today, equal parts. So now I have 4 slices. Let's see if I cut them equally. 1 slice, 2 slices, 3 slices, and 4 slices. So now me and 3 of my friends can all have a slice of pizza. That's right. And if I put them on my whole pizza, you think they're still going to equal 1 whole pizza? Absolutely. I just have 4 equal parts. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's right. They all make up 1 pizza. So let's take this. I get to share my pizza with 3 of my friends. There's 1 for 1 friend. There's my other friend's a slice of pizza. And here's another slice for my 3rd friend. And here's a slice for me. That's right. So I can take my pizza, this 1 whole pizza, and I can cut it into equal parts. I can cut it into 2, 3, 4 parts. Do you think I can cut it in more parts than that? Let's say that I had more friends that came over. What happens if there's 8 of us? Then what I can do is my pizza here, these slices, I can cut into more equal slices. And I can make 8 slices of pizza for me and 7 of my friends. That's right. So that's what equal parts is all about. Remember, they have the same shape and it's about the same amount. That's what we do with equal parts. Now, I want you to practice equal parts. You know, every time we do stuff like this, I want you to be smarter. So we've got to have equal parts. So here's a fun way of doing that too. I have just some plain old Play-Doh here. That's right. And I can take it and I can smush it down into a circle or a square if I want to, or even a triangle. And parents, do this with your kids and try it with halves first. Just try 2 equal parts according to the age of your child. Just smush it in, and everybody loves Play-Doh, and cut it into 2 equal parts. That's right. And we can do this with different color Play-Doh and everything. So we can also take pictures, cut pictures out of magazines, or you can take a paper plate. And what you can do is you can actually do halves and quarters and 3/4. I mean, one half, 1/3, and 1/4. I'm going to get it right in a minute. So you can take that and you can just take a permanent marker, regular marker, crayon, a pencil, anything, and let your kid take it and divide it into equal parts. If they want to, another fun way of doing this is they can actually fold it. I can draw a line, or I can fold it. And again, you can take regular paper to do this and let them cut it into half parts. They can fold it again. They have 1/4 of equal parts. So these are different ways to practice doing equal parts with your child. So remember that this is just one concept of math. We want our babies to be so smart, and I love my friends. So also, if you want to find more resources, more fun, more activities, more of work pages to do under the line of equal parts, because this also takes our kids into fractions and division and things like that. This just gives them the basic concept of that. So you may go to pbslearningmedia.org, and there's lots of resources there. And I want you to do these activities. So when you do the activities, please respond to me and let me know what you're doing, and let me know that my friends are getting this, because I want them to be smart when they go back to school, okay? So you may reach out to me at WKNO teacher@gmail.com. All right? So keep on cutting things into equal parts. And until next time, teacher says bye-bye.